Okay, hi everybody. We're going to be talking about OpenStack Comes to Campus, which is a new initiative designed to engage students further with OpenStack and open source. So today we're going to cover why we started this idea, some of the key aims of the program, some information about our launching city, which is in Melbourne, what the positive outcomes were, and how you might want to get started if you're interested, and then looking at 2018 and beyond. So why we're here. So the number one question I got starting as an intern in the OpenStack Foundation, when I told my friends I was doing that, they said, "What's OpenStack?" They didn't ask me how the internship was going. That was always the first question I got. So running from that, I thought, how about we bring OpenStack to the students? How about we bring open source and get them interested, get them started, and then get them into the path of a really vibrant and interesting community with some great opportunities. So what are some of our key aims? So this included an orientation to the technology, connecting them with the community, and establishing mentoring relationships. So we had a panel of staff from different organisations, and they had a chance to network during the event to give them those key relationships that help with those future career steps once you leave university. So we had our first event in Melbourne. That was our launching city in the University of Melbourne. And so like I said, we had a panel set up, and some of our main messages included what is OpenStack and open source and who uses it, what are some of our job and employment outcomes for OpenStack, such as like you can get a COA exam to get certified, what kind of resume, things you should have, and what kind of skills you need. And then also how to get involved in the community, such as user groups, and some upcoming events like the summit. So we had a number of positive outcomes following this event. We had a panel of mentors from a range of organisations, both business, enterprise, and community-oriented. Students got their first taste of open source and OpenStack, and then again we had those mentoring relationships. So after we had some time for Q&A, I noticed business cards being exchanged, details being exchanged. So some students actually got some really good opportunities and met a lot of great people through the event. And then also some of the bigger things was there was an interest in people contributing to the local Meetups thing. So I had one guy come up to me and said, "Look, there's nothing much happening in Melbourne. I would love to become an organiser and help you get things started to get the next wave." So that was really exciting. And then we also had people interested in the OpenStack certification, so wanting to skill up, get that stamp on their resume in order to improve their career outcomes in OpenStack. So overall, we had three key things. We had an increase in an awareness of open source. We had an increased community participation and some great career outcomes for students when they're moving towards those next steps. Because I'm a student, we're all thinking about what those next things are going to bring, what's our next game plan, and we always get asked. So I think it's a really good way to get students on the right path if they haven't found it yet. So if you are thinking of hosting your own, we are looking to expand, go around the world, let's make this thing global, let's chat. I can help provide planning resources and provide ideas. Send me an email, and I'll also be hanging out in the Foundation Lounge for the rest of the day. So let's bring OpenStack to students one campus at a time. Thank you. Any questions? It's okay, we can talk later. Yep, that's good. All right, thank you.